Hello everyone, welcome back with me again, Grow. So in this Adobe Photoshop tutorial, I will show you how to make a double exposure effect. And I was learned this effect a few time ago. So without any further ado, let's go to the tutorial. Okay guys, so for the first, as usual in the Adobe Photoshop home, we will use, because this double exposure image, we will just open the image for setting the artboard. So click open, not new file but open, and then it will open your file manager, and then go to your image. So this is my image that I want to edit, then click open. After that, the Adobe Photoshop will automatically open your image. After that, you will make like Instagram post frame. So for the first, in this background, unlock the background and then use crop tool, or you can use C this using crop tool in here. And after that, you can setting be the like rectangle. Wait, we need the face. Okay, until here I think. Okay, then after crop this image, click the check button in here, and it will automatically crop your images. After that, you have to you have to click your image, and then you have to select your subject in here. If your Adobe Photoshop is, your version of Adobe Photoshop is 24 up or up of that, you will have like a taskbar in here. But if your Adobe Photoshop don't have like taskbar in here, you can go to the select, and then in select you can click the subject below the focus area subject, and then it will automatically select your subject, and you can mask this. But before we mask this image, we have to little align the image. Okay, for the first, to align this image, you can use quick selection tool in here. In here I use V shortcut for the selection tool. Exactly many of selection tool, like object selection tool, quick selection tool, and others. But in here I use quick selection tool, because why? Because it more flexible and practice. So for selection tool, for increase this cursor, this area of the selection tool, you can click the right bracket. It will be more bigger, and for decrease the area of the selection tool, you can click the left bracket. Okay, after that, in the normal mode, selection tool have like a plus in the center. It's like a cursor. But if we click alt, we can we can decrease the selection, the subject selection, like this. This is the example. Now it will decrease the selection, then Control Z, because we will add more selection. So we will use normal mode here. Tidy the line for select. Okay, we'll tidy in here. Okay, I think it's enough. Wait. Okay, I think it's enough. Then after select this image, you can click this area, this button, and it will automatically mask your image. And then after we mask this image, we have to add new background. So for that, click this like ellipse but have two sides, and then click the solid color selection, and then we can pick the color. We can use black or another color, but in this video we have to use white color. Okay, and then in the layer panel, move the background below the image that we have masked. Okay guys, to make double exposure effect in Adobe Photoshop, exactly there is many way to make it, but in this video I will teach you how to use blend mode to make the double exposure. So for the first, align the image, I think, to the center. Okay, after that we need another assets. So in here I was prepare another assets. Oh, not like this. If you want to add like image in your Adobe Photoshop file, you can click image, not in image but in file, then choose the place embedded. You can choose your photos or images you want to add in your edit. So I was prepare where okay, I have prepared 3 image. The first, this is the first 3 image, then place embedded again, download, and then the second 3, and okay, check a row, and then the last image is okay, wait, the last image, where this is the last image, and then place again and click the check arrow again. Okay, because we will use all of this image later, we will hide some of image. Just you have to hide the second tree and the bird. Wait, this is the bird. We have to hide too, and don't forget to lock all these 2 image. And then so for the first, we will use this image to make like a forest in this man hat. So for do that, for the first, we have to little change the direction of this image, and then the scale, I think, yes, scale. Okay, that could be check arrow, and then in the layer panels you will see this normal text, but exactly you can click this like arrow to above, and there are many of selection that we can click and choose. This is we can say this selection as blend mode. So from the normal blend mode, change it to the lighten. So you can see in here it will the 3 image that touch this yes, solid white background. It will like yeah, like invisible like that, but the image that touch the main image, it will not invisible. So after that, you can see there are many of the image effect that pass the image of the man. So for tidy it, you can click the image, the first three image, and then click the mask, the layer mask. It will add new mask layer in here. So click in here, and then using brush tool in here, and using a black color. If you use white color, this image will add more like that. But if you use black color, it will disappear your image. So we will use it for tidy the image. You can play with the opacity too. I will play with the opacity, and in here too. With okay, decrease this part. Okay, and then the tree image is little tight, but you can see there are color different in here. So for fix that, you have to go to the layer in here, the main layer, and click the second layer. After that, using brush tool again, and brush the part that like different with the background. Okay, wait. Okay, increase the opacity and brush the part that not not contrast. Wait. Using white color, brushing, and keep brushing. Wait, nothing here. Here I'm using white color. Okay, after make like this, it almost we almost go to the next step. So for the next step, wait, I think it will be more good if we show the ear. So I will add the ear in here. Wait, I think no. So I will make it invisible. Wait. Okay, I think it's enough. Okay, after that, we have to make a new effect. So go to the second tree image, unlock this image, and then show. Okay, after that we have to put this image in the above part of the man, like this. Wait. Change the direction, I think. Change the direction, yes, change the direction. Then click the check arrow and in the blend mode change to the like that. So there are an effect in here. So but there are still different between the background and the image. So for fix it, you have to add new layer in here. Click this ellipse like logo and then click levels. Okay, after that in the layer panel, put the layer in above all of the layer, another layer, and then change the what change this. Okay guys, sorry, there are a little wrong. So in the level, uh, with hold and click alt, then click the um, like the line in here, and there are like arrow to under in the cursor point, and there are a new logo in here. After that, it will parent with this secondary image. Wait, with like that, it will parent with the secondary image. So click the level, and then in this arrow, little move it to the right, and it will disappear the effect in here. After that, we have to add the last step. This is the layer of the bird. This is the bird show, and then unlock, and this is the bird. It's like it you will make it like a little decorations. Okay. Okay. Okay, after that change the blend mode to the like then as usual. Wait. Wait. Oh sorry. Change the color to darker. And then after that we have to change direction maybe. Yes. No. We have not have to change the direction. Okay, after that tidy it little with mask layer, and then using brush. Okay, I think I have to okay. Then tidy the bird. Okay, like this. Okay, another bird. Make it perfect. Okay, I think this is okay. After that, we will have a new filters that can make our image more good. So go to the filter. Okay, wait. Go to the filter. It's not here. Wait, I forget. Where is that? Photo filter. And in here? No, not in here. This is not. Go to curve maybe. No, not in here. Wait, I forget. Where is that? We don't have that. So that's effect that only like little grading using camera presets, but exactly not that preset is not important. So our design was done. Okay guys, maybe that's all from my Adobe Photoshop tutorial. Thank you for watching this video, and for the last I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.